Good morning, traders. Crypto market analytics. We're back Wednesday. We're following up here on the Monero. We have a big announcement to make. We're just flipped over, right? We've closed out our bullish position. In fact, we've hit our targets, right? We had two targets. We had the secondary target at 70.25 and final destination at 72.95. When we were on the upside, we started this bullish position, which was a short-term type of trading opportunity from the get-go. We classified it as a short-term type of move, and we were waiting for price to break 64.29, right? At the end of the day, I didn't even wait for it to actually break. As price was coming back up, I felt that it's going to break, so I initiated that first initial bullish position. Started small. Later on, we saw the break. We increased our position. Then, of course, we noticed that price was breaking the 230 moving average. That was an important moment. Also gave us more confidence to carry on with this move. And at 70.25, we took some profit off the table, and 72.95, we were out completely. Now I decided to flip over, and you can see why, right? We're still trading in that sideways movement that began around, basically the beginning of April. So this is a very short-term cycle that we're looking at right now. But what's really important to notice is that price, when it went up here, grabbing our price targets, it also took the previous highs. Right, and then of course coming right back to cross the strong point of reference here, 70.25. That was our previous target. Now it was a test level, and we can see yesterday breaking below 70.25, and today reconfirming that break-in, right? That break, because you can see price started on the upside, tried to cross back up, failed, bounced back down. And it seems to me that right now, as we speak, price is engaging with the next downside leg. And I think it could easily come back to the lower section here. So we will have to focus again on that particular key level, 64.29. That's going to be our target on this cheeky short position that we're taking on the Monero. Of course, it's a more of a risky type of move, because it's a classic counter trend move, right? The trend is up. Right now, we're in the middle of what seems to be a technical correction. It just happens to be a sideways correction rather than a downside correction. But right now, within that, within this sideways formation, we seems to be beginning the next downside leg. Right, so we're going to try to take advantage of that. Stop loss level is at 76.30. That's our initial placement. Obviously, if we'll see some further downside moves, we will begin to tighten up that stop loss level and adjust that. All right, guys, that's about that for this one. We're seeing we're getting some negative sentiment coming from pretty much across board. It's probably a short-term cycle type of move, and I've seen more interesting trading opportunities in other coins, and I'm going to show you another one of those in the next video, so stay tuned.